Hi, Gunajit again. So now we will be talking about our product or services that we offer to our domestic as well as international client. We deal primarily in certified organic products, which are right now certified as NPOP, which is for India, and NOP certification, which is for US. We are planning to go for European certification as well for organic production. So we interact with and work with smallholder farmers of the region of Northeast India, and then promote and market their product in the domestic as well as international market. Most of our domestic client are in tier 1 and tier 2 cities. And for the international client base, we have in Europe, US, little bit of in Southeast Asia and Singapore, and then we have small one or two client in Australia as well. So our product are a little bit on the premier end because most of the exotic product that we deal in from are from the Himalayan foothills of Northeast India. So it has geographical identification also. Spices like uh, Lakadong turmeric, the picture will be here. Black rice, Joha rice, ginger, Karbi Anglong ginger, Naga King chili, large cardamom, and other exotic spices like Szechuan pepper, long pepper, etc. Our product range mainly focuses on dry items, which are grains, spices, and little bit in the pulses range. If you consider the total market of organic globally, it is around $115 billion, of which 88% is controlled by the North America as well as European market. Indian market as of now is hardly around 2 billion. But due to this pandemic of COVID, we have seen that export potential of organic product of India has found places and has increased the export overall, because more and more consumers are now willing to uh, eat or consume organic product so that they can better their health or maintain a sustainable and healthy lifestyle. As per reports, Indian export of organic product last year in 2020 and 2021 has increased by over 50%. So the market has almost grown exponentially. Wherein in earlier days we have seen that the market was growing at around 15 to 20%, the domestic market, and the global market was growing at around 10 to 12%. But because of the COVID, the market growth has been exponential, both in the domestic as well as in the international market. We ourselves has seen that our organic demand from our client for organic product has tripled over this last year. Although because of the pandemic we were not able to generate as much revenue as the previous years, but then the demand for the certified organic product has increased by 3 times, and then the demand for non-organic product or conventional product has come down a bit. So our interest in the unique product like Lakadong turmeric and black rice is something we are proposing for this particular competition, wherein we want to develop a unique product which will be a mixture of this high curcumin Lakadong turmeric and black rice powder, which will be a anti-cancerous or highly antioxidant product. There is no such product in the market right now. There are individually separate product like turmeric powder is there, which is turmeric latte is being consumed, and then we also have seen that there are black rice powder mix which are used in your health conscious people. You are using it as a supplement, drink supplement in who goes to gym and all. So what our product would be will be a simple capsule based naturopathic or nutraceutical product which can be used by any person above the age of 5 to 6 years, because below that we are not recommending to give them. And we will tell more about the product in the coming pages.